Everywhere I go, there are some common myths and problems. People who are meditating for 10 years, 15 years, they also do some mistakes. So let me clearly tell you certain guidelines. This may be very basics, but if you don't correct the basics, you may not achieve everything. The posture of meditation is very important. Posture of meditation is very important. If you sit down anyway, you have crossed legs. But if you have problem folding the legs, you can stretch the legs, but cross the feet. Cross the feet. People, I remember in 2005, when I was sitting in a chair, I crossed my right leg over left leg. I was in a very deep meditative state, very deep. Somebody came and tapped me. So I have to wake up. They said, not the right on the left, but the left has to be on the right. I said, what nonsense. My meditation is gone. Okay, so don't have this left on the right or right on the left. Both are same. The legs has to be crossed because the energy has to circulate. It's a circuit. Fingers, how do we do? All fingers into fingers. Don't do any mudras because there will be leakage of energies. Put all the fingers into fingers and take a good back support. Don't strain your back. Then meditation will lead to back pains. Okay. Never lean your head anywhere. In the Zoom sessions, I see somebody happily leaning. They are coming here for group sleeping, not for group meditation. They will make a nice sofa like this. They lean and they sleep. Okay. And anybody next to you, if they snore, what do you do? Take the ID card and then say this and then you meditate. Wake them. Don't allow next person to snore. Just tap them. Otherwise, I have to find who is snoring. By the time I come, the snore will stop. Because they go into very deep sleep or meditation, I don't know, they will snore. Just tap them, they will be aware. Okay, so don't open the eyes. If somebody taps you, you understand you are snoring. Otherwise, nobody will disturb you. Okay, can we move the body while we are meditating? Yes, you can. You can stretch the legs, move your body, move your hands. Even with the closed eyes, you can drink water, no problem. Don't open the eyes. If you open the eyes, you will lose the meditative state. Again, to go back to that state, it will take many minutes or hours sometimes. So don't open. Without opening eyes, you do anything. But don't stand up and walk. Just be where you are. So if you are comfortable sitting down, okay. If you want a chair, we will arrange. Anybody want to shift also, no problem. Okay. And in general, they say your minutes of meditation should be equivalent to minimum your age. 45 is the age, 45 minutes is the minimum. 50 is the minimum. Why? Do you know the science? Many people say, okay, fine, we will follow. But why? Yes. Like the trees has the circles. Our mind also has circles of thoughts. Each year we will make a circle of thoughts, dense. In order for all those things to unwind, it will take that minimum minutes. So if you're 45 years, 45 minutes is the minimum where your mind is settling, but it's not enough. So that is the minimum time you should meditate. So I generally tell people at least 1 hour, and maximum you can go up to 3 hours. If you are doing more than 3 hours, then definitely it should be either you are researching in the topic or there are so many ailments in the body, you want healing. But if you think everything is good, everything is normal, 3 hours is max enough. Because we have taken this body to live.